The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, Dancehall Skilla here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone out there. So may I say, alright, about now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to talk about a domestic dispute, something where end tragically this one here, see me? And this one is about a male that is said to be 27 years old that had been stabbed and killed by his female partner, you see? Now, viewers and subscribers, this said to have happened on the 6th of March 2020, sometime in the night, and this said to have happened in the parish of Westmoreland, you see me? Now, it is said that the person who is the 27-year-old male who had been stabbed and killed, it is said that he's from the Westmoreland address, and the female, it is said that the female who is the deceased partner, it is said that the female is from the place that is known as Tivoli Garden, which is a Kingston address. Is what I'm saying to you. Viewers and subscribers, according to reports, it is said that on Friday, March 6, 2020, right, the couple, which is the male and the female, they were having somewhat of an argument at their house or where they're staying. Is what I'm saying to you. And this domestic dispute thing, the argument between them gets so heated to the point where a family member went over to see what was going on, you know what I mean? And when the family member went over there, only to see that the 27-year-old male was laying on the ground with stab wounds. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, to the upper body and so on. You see it? Now, according to reports, it is said that the sister of the deceased, who is the 27-year-old male, it is said that the sister said that the 27-year-old male is abusive towards the female. Is what I'm saying to you, because in the report it says that the sister says that some of the time he beat the girl to the point where she even have to leave and go back to her house where she come from at Tivoli, and after all of that him still go back at Tivoli all the way at Kingston for the girl and then bring her back, and then it's the same thing all over and over, according to all I understand as to what has been said in reports out there, isn't it? Even in the reports, it is said that the sister said that some of the times in beat her to the point, it's like them feel like him gonna kill the girl to how him a beat the girl, I tell you how it's said in the report, you see what I'm saying to you? And in the report, a family member says that some of the times to the way how him beat the girl and feel so sorry for the girl that's them want even get involved in the whole thing while go on. You see me, like it's to all the person talking the report that sees like the person that want to fight the same man who beat the girl, you see me? And according to reports, it is said that the female had been arrested by the police. Now, a lot of this dispute and the abuse is said to be something that had happened because of jealousy, and it is said that the male is accusing the female that she's cheating on him and all these things. That's what I'm saying to you? Yeah, so it looked like one of them domestic dispute they will just keep on happening over and over, and it reached to one point where maybe the female can't take it no more. But my advice to every female out there or anyone out there that is in an abusive relationship, is because no feel no way, woman beat man too, No, but I feel say a man alone beat woman, woman beat man as well, is what I'm saying to you. But no matter if a man or woman, find yourself in a relationship where, it's abusive. Yes, what I'm saying to you. My best advice to anyone in a situation like that is to run, get out, leave. Go as far as you can from that person. Get a restraining order if you have to. Report it. Try and get away from that person, because, is either it going to end up one out of two way. Is either it going to end up where you are going to hurt that person or that person are going to hurt you, and then somebody there behind bars, and it's not really worth it. You understand? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I have some left it now. Just let me know what to think about something like this. And you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I want. So until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it.